show us Cain. What are we doing with Cain? When you see Cain, you see phones like this one, and you see laptops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I believe we all know where we are going to. But the sad part of this whole story is, what are they doing with Cains? Are we in the era of slave trade?
Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ní ìkànnì Ajáramálẹ́fà TV pé ẹ ṣé tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Ojú tí ẹ fi ń wò wá ò ní fọ́, etí tí ẹ fi ń gbọ́ wá ò ní di láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní ìkànnì Ajáramálẹ́fà TV, ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ hàn notification button, ẹ like, ẹ comment, ẹ share. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa gbé oríyìn fún iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Delta. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí alukoro wọn ìyẹn SP Bright Edafe bó ṣe ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ léde lóòrèkóòrè, bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé àyè ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ gbà wá láti tẹ̀síwájú àwọn fọ́nrán kan látàrí àwọn nǹkan kan àbí míì, ṣùgbọ́n a ti dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run pé gbogbo nǹkan ó ti padà ṣarajọ. Ohun tí ó ṣe ni ní kàyéfì jọjọ ni wípé ẹ gbọ́, ṣé ìgbà tá a wà yìí ṣé ìgbà ìmúnilẹ́rú ni? Ẹ rí bó ṣe ń fi ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àpèjúwe lára àwọn ọmọ yìí. Láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà mo máa ṣí sílẹ̀ fún àǹfààní àwa tá àti rí fọ́nrán yìí tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Ohun tí mo fẹ́ ká dìmú ká dẹ̀ ṣe nínú ẹ̀ ni wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká rántí lóòrèkóòrè, ẹ jẹ́ a máa bẹ àwọn ọmọ wa wò láyè yòówù tán bá wà. Àlàáfíà wọn yẹ kó jẹ wá lógún ju ohunkóhun lọ. Nítorí pé tí èèyàn bá ní àlàáfíà, ọ̀rọ̀ tá a ní kán wá lọ àbí tá à ń wá yìí yóò padà tó wọn lọ́wọ́ nínú rọrùn. Nígbà tán bá múṣẹ́ wọn lókùnkúndùn tán sì ń ṣe ohun tó tọ́ àti ohun tó yẹ, tí kì í ṣe pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ ní lọ́wọ́ gbà o. Ṣé ẹ rí ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ tí ẹ bá láǹfààní láti máa wò mí, bó jẹ́ àgbàlagbà ló wò mí, bá mi pín fọ́nrán yìí fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé iṣẹ́ ìfiléde kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ tán pípẹ́ délẹ̀ tán, ṣùgbọ́n ìbá tí ẹ bá gbọ́ yìí, ẹ fi mọ ohun tí ẹni tí ó jẹ́ alukoro ní iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Delta ìyẹn SP Bright Edafe tó ń sọ. Mo bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ẹ̀ kó dákun dábọ̀ kó ṣàánú tèmi tiyín, kó má fi jíjẹ mímu wá síbi tó le, kó fún wa lọ́gbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye láti ṣayé yìí nírọ̀rùn láì fi kan bọ̀kan nínú. Ẹ jẹ́ ń ṣí ojú ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ nísàn-án ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ eléyìí tó wáyé láàrin Edafe àti àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ afurasí ọ̀daràn yìí. Ìyẹn àwọn tí wọ́n ní ilé tí àwọn ọmọ wọ̀nyí tí wọ́n ní wọ́n kóra wọn jọ sí láti lọ máa kọ́ iṣẹ́ eléyìí tó ń ṣe yahoo. Ó ní agbára. Èmi ò mọ̀ wípé wọ́n tún fẹ́ gba kọ́ṣẹ́ yahoo, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ gbọ́ fún àǹfààní àwa tá àti gbọ́. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ ṣeun o, ẹ kú ìgbà gbogbo, ẹ kú ìdarapọ̀ wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run, bá àjọṣepọ̀ wa ò ní bàjẹ́, ẹni tí ò bá jẹ́ ò ní wo àárín wa. Mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa rèé, ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì, ẹ hàn notification button, ẹ like, ẹ comment, ẹ bá wa share. Pàápàá share fáwọn ọmọ yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń dọ́kọ ni wúrà. Ọlọ́run náà ò ní ba ayé wa jẹ́, kò dẹ̀ ní ba iṣẹ́ tiwa jẹ́. Gbogbo ohun tá a bá fọwọ́ wa sí láyé aláwùrà bí yóò fi èrè tó pọ̀ sí. Ẹ ṣeun, ẹ kú ìfẹ́.
I am SP Edafe Bright, and this is Delta State Police Command. We are here once again. I'm just laughing because this is actually funny. I know some of our audience will be wondering, this is where PRO they show us Cain. What are we doing with Cain? When you see Cain, you see phones like this one, and you see laptops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I believe we all know where we are going to. But the sad part of this whole story is, what are they doing with Cains? Are we in the era of slave trade? I don't know what to call this. Early last week, or when did they report? On the 17th of this month, we got a complaint from this chap here that he's been locked up in a particular place where he will use his mouth to say what he went there to do. However, he said they usually flog him with some of this cane. And not just like they were flogging him, when you come close, you will see visible marks of cane. Don't look at me. Visible, just look at this. And this is another young chap. The same thing. They will tell us why and how they came about these marks on their body. It's so pathetic because one would wonder, why would they lock them up in a particular place? This is not the first time we are parading boys who were being held hostages and forced to do what they call HK. It's actually HK, and that is what they are doing. So many canes. They are here, they will tell us what they are doing with the canes. So my guy, what's your name? Ocha? Okay, how old are you?
28.
28 years.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, briefly tell us why you ran to the police to report.
Because I was in the house for 2 months and a day. For the when they feed us, we used to eat once in a day. Then after that once in a day, 93 days or 4 days, we no get access to our phone. So to go meet and say I won't go house, I no go fit because some of boys wey don go meet and say they won't go house, we go beat them. I no go say allow them go. So
Okay.
before I jump,
So when you meet and say you won't go, so you got to.
no, I no meet am because I don see people wey don go meet am, I no allow
Okay,
them.
you want comot na make you very wrong.
Yes, sir. So
How
I
you
go,
take manage comot for the house wey you fit go tell police say wetin dey happen to you?
na from window and job.
Oh, you jump from window.
Upstairs.
Okay, you said you jumped from the window. Now all these marks wey dey your body, how you take get am?
Now then they flog us because we never get mama wey dey pay us money. That's
Because you
pay
never get who?
mama wey dey pay us money. That's pay client.
Wetin be mama?
As the woman wey dey pay us money.
Okay, paying client.
Yes, sir.
So once you no fit pay,
We never get that woman wey dey pay us money. Then go dey beat us.
na the beating go bring the client come.
No, sir.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 22 years.
Tell us why they give you this mark for body.
Because I never catch client.
Because you never catch client. How long you don stay with them?
1 month, sir.
Okay, you still want to stay with them or you want run?
No, sir. Since I come after one day, I tell him say I want to go back, but he no agree.
Where you from come?
Benue State.
Benue State.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we've heard from them. I will be interviewing the chairman, one of the chairmen. So he will tell us why we are here. He knows the reason why we're here. My brother, do you know these guys?
Yes, sir.
Who are they to you?
You're working with me.
What kind of work?
HK.
HK, what is HK?
Yeah, work internet.
Work internet. What you explain? I don't understand.
HK is where we work internet work like Yahoo.
Yeah, like Yahoo. And be specific now. Make our audience understand. So what about these marks on their body?
That is because they are using my laptop to watch porn. And
okay, that's why you deflog them.
Yes, my sub yes too.
Okay, but they actually came to your house to learn HK.
Yes.
So because they use your laptop, they watch porn, I make you deflog them like this.
It's only once. I only flog them once.
Now only once now be this mark when full body like this.
Yes,
okay, you get this mark for your body too. Huh? The time when you learn your own HK, and so they flog you.
They flog me too, sir.
Okay, so now the process with that. Okay, he's just telling us this one now. Well, my concern is this. This chap is 22 years old. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other victims. I will call them victims. How old are you? One is 19. You? 23, 22, 19, 25. How long have you been with them? What are they learn for your hand? Well, your own voice is not getting to the mic. However, this is not the way of life. It's short-lived and it's a crime in Nigeria. I want us to know that the business of internet fraud is a crime in Nigeria, and that is why whoever we get will be duly prosecuted and charged to court. This is just an additional offense. Can you imagine what a human being will do to a fellow human being? Marks and bruises all over their body. This happened in Japa Road in Warri. This is Delta State Police Command. Thank you.